Welcome to PMTechERP, the next-generation ERP platform built exclusively for the automotive manufacturing industry. In today's competitive automotive market, manufacturers need more than software. They need complete digital control over every aspect of their business. Whether you're a Tier 1 or Tier 2 supplier, or an electric vehicle and battery manufacturer, PMTechERP helps you streamline operations, improve quality, and accelerate growth. Our comprehensive automotive ERP connects engineering, procurement, inventory, production, quality, finance, human resources, and maintenance into one intelligent platform. With built-in support for IATF 16949 quality standards, multi-level bill of materials, engineering change management, PPAP, APQP, SBC, EDI integration, part-level traceability, your entire manufacturing process becomes more efficient and audit-ready. PMTechERP also delivers advanced production planning, just-in-time and just-in-sequence scheduling, real-time costing, IoT integration, mobile shop floor applications, and executive dashboards that provide complete visibility across your organization. Compared to traditional ERP systems, PMTechERP offers faster implementation, typically within 3 to 6 months, lower total cost of ownership, manufacturing-specific functionality, and dedicated enabling manufacturers to achieve faster returns on investment. From improving production efficiency and reducing operational costs to ensuring regulatory compliance and customer satisfaction, PMTechERP empowers automotive manufacturers to embrace Industry 4 with confidence. Transform your manufacturing operations with PMTechERP, the intelligent ERP solution designed to drive productivity, quality, and sustainable business growth.